Business model number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business model in which you promote other people's products and earn an affiliate commission for promoting it. For example, you could promote someone else's course on how to get six-pack abs and earn a commission on every sale you refer to the product vendor. This is a great business model for beginners that are just getting started, as you don't need a bunch of knowledge and skills. As an affiliate, you simply refer traffic to the vendor and let the vendor handle the rest of the work, like delivery of the product and product support. So let's look at the pros of this business model. Firstly, it can be run in just a few hours a day. It's relatively quick and easy to start, as you don't have to create products of your own. And the startup costs are extremely low. So now let's take a look at the cons of this business model. Well, the major con is that you're going to be sending your traffic to another product vendor, and they will become their customer rather than yours. You will only ever receive a partial commission on any sales made, whereas if you're a product vendor yourself, you keep all of the profits. As you're selling other people's products, you have no control over the sales materials and the product content. Finally, you need to develop skills to spot and exploit high-converting products in your niche to promote. So let's have a look at the conclusion for this business model. Overall, this is a great business model for anyone just getting started with an online business. As you get more experienced as an affiliate marketer, you can then transition into one of the other business models in this guide.